Let's educate ourselves some. Kaabo KM03.
Yo, what's up? It's your guy today. Today we are in Salem, Massachusetts. The cool thing about this is we're actually gonna go Salem to Boston. There might not be a lot of talking. Yeah, so that all sounds good and whatnot. But I mean, like, honestly, I had some technical difficulties with everything. The batteries died on me hard. Some of the footage got corrupted, mainly, you know, my outro and everything. But it's okay, y'all. I'm here to give y'all solutions, not excuses. 27-mile trip from pretty much Salem Commons to Boston Commons, and that includes bike trails as well as, you know, some main roads, side streets like that. I had about 35% battery life, and I made it there in just about an hour total commute, which is really not all that bad considering my average. If you're doing long trips like this daily, I would definitely suggest, you know, 2 fast chargers. You know, you have to let your battery cool off and everything, and you're not going to have the full 8 hours to charge your battery. You know, fast chargers definitely recommended if you're going to do it. Let your battery cool off. EvlifeJay, you just got the new Kaabo display. I think it's like the Mantis X display, something like that. So we're gonna go head over there and see what that's all about. I'm pretty much gonna be farting around though until he gets home. Hopefully, you know, the clouds clear up and everything. But I do have, you know, footage from that Boston trip. So I'm just gonna run the montage and then I'll see you at Jay's. This is the view, man. Oh, cool. Dude, this sucks. Man, come on, let's see that display.
I got a new toy. You want to see it? Now this is trash. This is nothing. Oh wait, no, this is it. It's a Kaabo KM03. I think it's mainly for the Mantis.
Yeah.
But
Oh, give me 1 second. I'm gonna switch to the handle.
I guess they keep coming over doing inspections over there to those houses. Whoever's closest to the blast zone, their structure has been compromised. Even the screen on the new one is bigger than the whole unit. Out with the old, in with the new. Alright, we got the brackets on.
Yeah.
We got both screws in.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's definitely, I think, where it's gonna go. What do you think? What I'm gonna do is I don't know.
Apparently the display is a little bit more complicated than we thought, or we're just a lot stupider than we thought. Yeah. It seems like the passcode is 1500. Thanks, Kaabo, for letting everybody know without the instructions.
All right.
Let's have literally all the information on here that we would have.
Yeah,
except for the heat. I wonder what that would be. Alright, so we're gonna educate ourselves, shout out Kaabo official, and figure out some cool things to do.
Yeah, that was me.
Yo, bro, you know you're in Gear 5, right?
No, I didn't know.
Alright.
Let's educate ourselves some.
Yeah, we should probably do that before we run ourselves over.
Rubber.
2 seconds later.
The display is absolute shit, and it doesn't even have all the full functions.
We don't know. You're judging, man. You can't jump.
It doesn't even say ESP or Sport. It just says DSP.
We don't know yet.
We do know. We do know, Jay. But then again, they recalled them from their website, so maybe it's just a Kaabo problem. They're problem prone. There's no ESP function. There's no sport mode. When you go to menu, it's just go straight to DSP. It should say ESP and then it should say sport, but it does not. We're gonna try and figure this one out. Maybe it's the display, maybe it's not. Honestly, we all know Kaabo. They always come out with problems, man. So it doesn't surprise me that this is a problem here, but we'll get this all figured out and whatnot. But yo, until then, yo, y'all be easy, y'all stay easy, and peace.